we have bone shakers. Look at that. Oh yeah. Might as well go through them, see what we got here. Some dandy looking paint and stuff on that one. Look at these real rider tires. That's nice looking meats on that one. Much the same on this as well. I had them all displayed at one point, but sort of mixed up the display a bit, and they lost their spot. Bone Shakers is a kind of a cool casting, though. I know that there's a million versions out there of the Bone Shaker. I just have, how many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12, 18, 24. I have 24 of the shakers in this here case. Most of these are pretty cool. Some of them are pretty cheesy, so I try to stay away from the cheese ball stuff. Speaking of which, the blue wheels, not a big fan of the blue wheel. Same tampos, different tires. Yeah, there's another one of the red. I don't know why they do that. I don't think it looks good at all. 3 color variations: the orange, the red, and the blue. Not sure if there's any more, but those are the only 3 I have. Jolly Roger there. The pink Bone Shaker. That was popular for a while when it first came out. I like this one, the Moon Eyes. I think this is fairly new. I think, didn't this just come out this year or something? Within the last couple of years for sure. This year or last year. Always liked that. The look of that is pretty cool. And we have the anniversary edition, the 50th. And then we have a couple of blue ones. Once again, though, I think probably when I look at all these together, my favorite one would be either this one or this one, but I think this probably takes the cake because it's got the nice flame tampos, beautiful real riders on it. Looks a bit bent, that one, actually, but they do roll nicely, all in all. Yeah, that's probably my fave of the bunch, that one right there. That's a look at the 24 Bone Shakers I have sitting in this case.